welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I am so excited to finally have the new Yealink BH78, and we have the one with the charging stand. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Jumping right in, this is definitely the heaviest Yealink box, and part of it is because of the stand. I like that it feels durable because I have used charging stands before and they've kind of tipped over on me, and you probably won't be bringing this out and about with you, so it's nice that it has a bit of substance to it, and also it just looks really modern and cool. I love the clear bit hanging off the back. We also have several cords that comes with it. We had a team member testing this out, so it comes a bit more put together, but I just wanted to show you everything in the box still. We also have our quick start guides here at the bottom, and then a very durable case with the headset in it. Inside, we have this charging cord. Like I said, someone was using it, so that's why it's unwrapped. And then here is the headset. It looks so cool. It's almost got a touch of metallic to it in the undertone. It's just so unique and one of a kind. I love that it folds up too. I'm going on a trip in a few weeks, so I'm definitely going to be bringing this with me to use at the airport, mainly because of this hidden boom mic. And it's flexible. We've seen headsets with a hidden boom mic, but I've never seen one that is hidden and also flexible, which I think is so cool. And when this boom mic tucks in, you really can't tell it's there unless you're looking for it, which I personally love because especially when you're traveling, sometimes you don't want it to look like you're wearing a headset in the airport, but you want to be able to take a call and know that they can hear you and you can hear them. So I think that this model will be really great for that. You also have a very cushioned top headband, so it seems like it'll be comfortable. Inside the ear cups, you do have a right and left side, so the boom mic will be on that right ear cup. It does also have a slight bend to it. It feels pretty durable, like it wouldn't give out. The top of the headband is softer. It doesn't feel like a hard plastic, so it seems like it would be really durable. Let's go ahead and jump into the key features on this headset. So the BH78 is really designed for home, office, cafe, co-working, pretty much anything hybrid, and it's going to have Adaptive Hybrid ANC, AI-powered noise canceling, and Yealink CloudSoft Comfort technology. So that explains why the cushions are so soft. With the Adaptive Hybrid ANC, it can reduce up to 35 decibels across low, mid, and high frequencies, and blocks out things from engine hums to chatter to office buzz wherever you are. With ambient sounds, you can stay aware of your surroundings and have that transparency, so that way you can still focus on conversations with voice pass-through. With medium ANC, you can still balance noise canceling for everyday use. Or with adaptive ANC, you press the button for longer to let your headset automatically fine-tune to the depth of cancellation you need to match your environment. It uses a 4-mic array and an AI algorithm powered by an upgraded chip, which has actually been trained through dozens of simulated and field scenarios. It has a really light weight of 245 grams, and arguably best of all, we have a great battery life with a 38-hour talk time and 120-hour music time. If you're someone who forgets to charge your headset, this might be the one for you because it has a 5-minute fast charge that gives you 4 hours of talk time. The BH78 is compatible with over 100 platforms and operating systems, ensuring connectivity to all of your favorites. And this device comes with absolutely everything you need to get started with using it. Like I said, I'll be testing this out soon, so let me know if you want to hear how it goes, and drop any questions you have about Yealink or this product down below, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time when we put more tech to the test. Bye!